So if you start the machine and you forget to put in the last towel, it can be that it locks. And as you can see, it's locked now. I can't open it. Doesn't matter if I shut it off up here. It's just completely locked. So this is a trick on how you open the machine. And what you need is a set of chopsticks. Like this. You only need one chopstick here. So I'm gonna take off one. And then you open the door down here. And you see the latch here. This is like a little hanging thing here. I'll zoom in on it so that you can see it properly. It's like it has a hole. And you can stick the chopstick in there. You see? So that's the hole. And this is the emergency opening tab for your washing machine. So all you need to do now is to stick the chopstick in there and pull downwards. Listen now. You heard the click? And now, no, not yet. There. The door open. This is it. Always remember, this is how you open. Now I can throw in the last towel, close the door, and this one flexes back automatically. I can just close this one now, start the program again. And you need this once the program has been going for a while. Then unfortunately these machines, they lock and you need to restart the program. So I'm restarting the program now. And that's it. And now the last towel is in the washing machine. I hope you got something out from this. Cheers, guys.